Now we are going to see the experiment Flash ADC, Flash type analog to digital converter. In this circuit, the analog input is given and the digital output is obtained by means of comparator circuit. To design the flash type ACD and simulate using Multisim software. Flash ADC is nothing but a direct conversion of ADC which will convert the analog input signal and produces the digital output signal. It uses linear voltage ladder network with comparator at each swing of the ladder, and it will compare the input voltage with the successive reference voltage. And the flash ADC is a type of analog to digital converter that uses a linear voltage ladder with a comparator at each rung of the ladder to compare the input voltage with the successive reference voltage. This flash ADC are ideal for application requiring very larger bandwidth, but it consumes more power than other ADCs architecture. We can use various types of ADC that are available, but this flash ADC require very larger bandwidth and it can be used in such type of application. There are many types of ADCs converter that are normally available. Successive approximation ADC are called as delta sigma ADC, dual slope ADC and pipeline ADC and flash ADC are the various types. And the advantages of this converter is to speed with which one conversion can take place. The disadvantages of the flash ADC is the area, power and requirements. Here we can use 2 power n minus 1 comparator for n bit. The speed is limited by means of switching of the comparator with using the digital logic circuit. This is the circuit diagram of flash type ADC. Here we have given the reference voltage in this terminal. Here the reference voltage is 10 volt and here we have used the resistance from R1 to R8 in order to give the reference voltage at particular node. At this node, the reference voltage is divided in such a way. With reference to this voltage. Similarly, at each point the voltage is divided and at this reference voltage is compared with this input voltage, and based upon the condition the LED will glow. So, okay, because when this when the reference voltage is greater than the input voltage, the LED will glow. If it is less than the input voltage, then the LED will not glow. Glow means it is 1 and not glow means it is 0. That is, we will get the equivalent digital output for the analog input value. The analog input value is taken from this reference value and it is divided along this network, and the voltage at this node will give to the comparator and it is compared with this input voltage value, and this reference voltage if is greater than the Vin, then the LED will glow, or else the LED will not glow. Suppose V1 is the voltage across the resistance R8. This is V1. Then we can take the voltage as a resistance R divided by corresponding resistance R plus divided by upper resistance, that is uppers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This 7R, this is R divided by R plus 7R into V reference is the formula for this voltage. Similarly, for this voltage, we can take the formula as R divided by R plus R, because here we have 2R, this R. So we can take in the at this place 2R divided by 8R into V reference. At this place 3R into 3R divided by 8R into V reference. At this place 4R divided by 8R into V reference. At this place we can take a 7R divided by 8R into V reference. In that way, at each point the voltage is divided and which is given as one of the input for the comparator, and it is compared with the V in signal. It is compared with the V in signal. We can change this V in so that we can control the analog to digital output values. Okay, if the input voltage that we obtained at the each junction of this one of the input for the comparator is greater than the, if the input voltage of the comparator is greater than the reference voltage, then the output will be taken as the high. If the input voltage of the comparator, if the input voltage of the comparator is less than that of the reference voltage, then we will take it as a low. Then the LED will be off. Then the LED will be off. Okay. Next, we are going to see the output of this flash type ADC using a Multisim Live software. This is the schematic diagram. Okay, you can see that this is the schematic diagram. I am going to run this and we can see the output in the graph, how the output in this LED. Suppose if I change this voltage, then you can see the LED. This only three, these three LED get the one value, 1110000 will be the output, because the reference the reference voltage which we give at this positive terminal will become, when it become greater than the 5, it will glow. In this 3 node, the reference voltage is greater than this 5 value, hence this 3 LED get glows and provides the output value as 1, and this 4 LED gives the output value 0. Suppose I reduce this 5 to 2.5. Now if we execute, the 5 LED get glows, because here 2, at these 5 nodes, this output reference value will be greater than the 2. Therefore these 5 nodes get the LED on, and this 2 node, at these 2 node, the reference value will be less than the 2.45. Then this LED output is 00. Similarly, we can convert this analog input into the equivalent digital value by means of varying this input voltage and comparing the reference voltage at the each node with the input voltage. If the reference voltage is greater than the input voltage at that comparator, the output will be 1. To show this, the LED is connected here. Okay. In this condition, 1111100 will be the output. This is the output of the flash ADC. Thank you.